everyone. Today I have ordered the super ultra light air dry super clay. So this is very famous nowadays on YouTube, so I thought that I should order it. So today I have reached, the parcel has reached to my house. So now I am super excited to open it. So let me open this and see what is inside. So I'm just opening it now. So inside it is packed in a very nice way, and this is wrapped in this sheet. And let me just open it. I am actually very excited, and I am planning to make something exciting with the super clay, with this clay. So this is the clay that it has so many beautiful colors, and it's very beautiful actually, you can see. And let me open it and let me see the texture of this color also, of this clay also. So I'm going to open it and let me see the different colors. It has so many different colors, you can see. It's really beautiful colors, and it's very light, very light to touch also. So let me just open one of it and let me see the texture of this, so that I can just make it next time. So it's very light, little bit sticky it is, but smooth to give it a shape. I can easily give it a shape, I feel. So I am super excited to make something beautiful and exciting with this, and tomorrow I will make something with this super clay, and I will tell you how the thing will convert. So please subscribe my channel to get some more beautiful things and exciting things. And please watch the YouTube tomorrow also, because tomorrow I'm going to make something exciting with this super clay, with this air dry super clay, super light, and it's really nice. The colors are beautiful. Let me see if I will be able to make something with it or not. So it's very good, it's a good quality, and please subscribe my channel and share it with others also. And tomorrow we'll make something exciting with it. So till then, bye.